Hey there, today I have a Stitchfix unboxing for you. So if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is an online subscription service, and I'll put some information in the description box below along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. Also, I'll put a card up above to my playlist of earlier Stitchfix videos. But anyway, let's see what I got. Okay, so here is my bundle, and that's one side. And there's the other. So it looks kind of more on the dark side, but it'll be interesting. And let's take a look at my note. And then just an FYI, Stitchfix is doing Stitchfix Kids now. My kids are all grown, so this wouldn't be something that I'd be interested in. But in case anyone's out there that is interested, they have that. Okay, here's my style card. And my stylist is Holly, and I'm so happy that I found a stylist that really gets my style, and it's so nice that each time I get my fix, I have the same stylist. I think it really helps, and Holly is great. So I'm going to quickly read the note. I'll scan it, put it up above, so in case you want to read it, you can freeze the frame and read it. But I'm going to go ahead and read it really quick. Okay, so this time was a little different. I always write a note to my stylist when I request a fix, and this time I pretty much kind of left it up to her. So she's putting in some kind of different items than I would normally get, so just to try, so we'll see. So this fix might be a little different from some of my others. Okay, let's see what I got. Okay, and the first item is a blouse. Okay, it looks like it's navy. It's by PAPERMOON. And I know that's a brand I used to get a lot from Stitchfix, but I haven't lately. It's the Lyllian shoulder detail blouse in medium petite. And yeah, it's just a very basic looking blouse. And this is $38. Okay, next. Okay, this is a dress. And it's by 41 Hawthorn. And it's a medium petite. Oh, so good, she found some petite sizes for me. It's a shirt dress. It has these interesting buttons with kind of like a gold detail. The polyester material. And it has tab sleeves. And this one is $78. And it's the Cristen shirt dress. Yeah, very nice. I think I actually might have had this pinned to my Pinterest board. Okay, next. Ooh, okay. Wow, this is a pretty color. I don't have a lot of teal in my wardrobe. It's mostly pink. It's by BRITTON, size medium. It's the Frenkel scallop neckline blouse. Oh, so you'll see it has this scallop neckline. You can see it. But it is very pretty. It's a little bit boxy looking. But we'll try it on. Oh, it has scallops on the sleeves too. And it is $36. So not a bad price. Next, okay. It's another dress, and it's by BRITTON, and this is what it is, kind of a tank dress. So I mean, I could still wear this to the office, just put a sweater over it. And it is the Eris brush knit dress, and I love these kind of knit dresses with this kind of super soft knit material. It's navy. It's been sending me a lot of navy in this fix. And it is $44. So yeah, not a bad price. Cute. And then lastly, okay, Holly, I don't know about these. Okay, she sent me a pair of pants. And these are the Margaret M slimming pant, size small. These are made in Canada. And it's the Sylvie printed straight leg pant in white. And these are $78, wow. But they're like super, the material is a little different. It's more stretchy. I hope it is slimming. If it is, maybe these could be a win. But yeah, I think these might be fun actually. We'll try them on. Let's see what yeah, I don't own anything like this. Okay, so that was everything I got in this first August fix. So now I'm gonna go and try everything on and see how it looks. Okay, here is the PAPERMOON top. And I've just paired them with some jeans, and these are jeans from the Loft, I think. Yeah. And yeah, so very cute. And this is just a little necklace that I got from Stitchfix last year. I think this is really cute, and it has these kind of sleeves, fluttery sleeves. But yeah, very nice. I like this. Okay, so here is the shirt dress, and this is actually really nice. And I just paired it with my new Cole Haan pumps that I got from the Nordstrom sale. But yeah, and this is a necklace from J. Crew. But yeah, I think it's cute. And it has, like, you can see the tabs, roll-up tab sleeves, and a tie belt. But yeah, very cute. This one was a little pricey though. It was like $78. So I know it's nice, but I'm not sure if I want to spend $78. So we'll see. Okay, here is the swing dress. And this is cute, but I think it's a little too big on the side here. You can see my bra. But it is a cute style. Maybe I could size down. But I don't know. I don't know if I really need this dress, although I like it, and I like that it has pockets, and it's super soft. And here it is styled with a denim jacket. Oh, and by the way, these are some new shoes that I picked up. They weren't on sale. I went to the Nordstrom anniversary sale again, but I saw these, and I really like them. And they're from Monroe, so they were a little pricey, but they're so comfortable. And I have another pair of Monroe shoes that I use in a lot of my try-ons that I bought a couple of years ago, and I really, really love them. So these are the most comfortable shoes. Okay, enough about the shoes, but yeah, here's the dress. They're not bad. Too big. Okay, so here is the teal top paired with the plaid pants. And these are pull-on pants, and they're a size small. So I think they fit, but honestly, I had a little bit of trouble getting them on. But once they're on, they look pretty good. And this top is very flowy. It is a size medium, and it's not a petite, but it's cute. And then I'll show you the pants. Here's the pants. So yeah, they're high-waisted, and they're pull-on. But yeah, I don't know. I think they're maybe a little too snug for me. And the length wasn't actually too bad. They're a little bit long. I think it's because they're supposed to be ankle length. So they're just a little bit long. And they have like a kick slit there. But yeah, not bad. I kind of do like the look and the feel of these pants. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not really sure. Okay, so that was everything I got in this Stitchfix box. So it was kind of a little bit different than usual, I think. A little bit more dark colors, a lot of navy. I did kind of like this navy top, and I don't have a lot of navy. So the price was right on this. It was only $38, so that's not bad. And I think this was probably a no. This top was a pretty color. But yeah, I didn't think it was very flattering, honestly. And then I did like this 41 Hawthorn dress. I thought it was really pretty, just a little bit pricey. But I think it's like just kind of like a timeless classic style. So I'm really considering keeping this one. These pants, these are fun to try on, and look at that, that's kind of cool. Is that called herringbone? I think so. So yeah, these were kind of neat. The only thing is, they were really hard to put on, and maybe a small is too small for me. But yeah, let me know what you thought of these pants. I mean, this is something maybe I'll look for another pant similar, and they were a little pricey too. They were $78. But I mean, I think that's something that I like about trying, you know, Stitch Fix and these other styling services where they send you things that you wouldn't ordinarily have chosen for yourself. But once you try something, it's like, oh, okay, that actually looks pretty good. So maybe I'll try to find something similar. But anyway, yeah, so let me know what you thought of the clothes, and I'll quickly go over the invoice. So the total for all 5 items was $274. If I were to have bought all 5, the discount would be $68.50, that's 25% off, and the order subtotal would be $205.50. And then I did have some credit. So I also want to thank Kayla C for signing up using my referral link, and Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Whenever one of you sign up using my referral link, I do get a $25 credit, and you get to try Stitch Fix risk-free, meaning your $20 styling fee is waived if you order within the first 30 days. But anyway, thank you so much. I do really appreciate it. It does help doing these unboxing videos and making it a little bit more affordable for me since I do a lot of them. So yeah, thank you so much. Anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of clothing unboxing videos and also some shopping hauls. And if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.